Welcome back students. So in this video we are going to understand very important function which has been newly introduced. It is available 2013 onwards and the function name is a number value. What it does, it convert the text number into values. uh, what I mean, there are many examples when you have the number but their properties are text. So in order to convert that with the help of function, you can use this. So here we have got the example that Manoj Joshi score is 55. So I want the score to come over here so that I can do some calculation. So here scores are in the extreme right side and are of two characters. So it is very easy to pick with the help of right function. So I'm applying a right, and after that other text I'm giving this one, comma, number of character 2. So from the extreme right I've got two character which is the score. Fine, drag it and we are having the answer. Now the problem is, let me select this, copy this, and I'm going to paste it over here in order to demonstrate what's the problem. Here you can see an error is coming. Now the reason is being this green error is coming because the number in the cell is formatted as text or preceded by an apostrophe. No, this particular number has been formatted as text. That's the problem over here. So what we want, whenever we are applying a function like this, we want those particular numbers to be considered as number only, means the value. And here another thing is that, let's say I'm selecting this, and here you can see count 5 is coming, means some average nothing is coming. Let's say over here if I'm typing some numbers and I'm selecting this, you can see average sum is coming. That's a kind of indication that that is being considered as number, but not these are, because only counts are coming, means these are considered as text. So this, there is a very simple solution to this. What we are going to do, we are going to apply a function. We are going to apply a number value function. So right here, before right, I'm going to apply number value. Okay, in the number value the only compulsory argument is text. So text, I'm going to consider this right function which is going to give me the output which is score. Nothing else need to be done, bracket close and enter. That's it. Right now you are not being able to see any difference, but one difference probably you have noticed, that it is right aligned by default, because numbers do right align by default. Let's say I'm doing the copy, let me do the paste and as a value, and over here you can see if I'm going to do the selection, over here average and sum is coming, the indication that it is being considered as number or value. It can be used in many places. This is very useful yet very easy. So this is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.